Well, this is what you want, but doesn't always happen. Usually doesn't happen. Had to return my test coil to Ryan and get a round spanker. And just on my way back towards Maryborough, and pulled over in some scrub here. Never been here before, and just driving along the tracks and saw some diggings, so I pulled over and literally first target just on the edge of this just old hole here, old timers hole. Very shallow diggings here. Ground looks amazing. And check it out, first dig. Right there, bit of gold. Sitting in a little bit of clay with charcoal all running through it. Come on. Look at that, tiny. That's a screamer. So, I know two things. I know there's gold here, and I know the coil works. Plenty of targets. Dug up about 4 or 5 more bits of lead. Looks like I got lucky just walking right on top of the gold for the first one. But yeah, where there's targets, there's got to be some gold still hiding. So I've got a nice sort of a softer signal here. I thought I'd give you a listen. That's what we want. Usually when it's in the surface, yeah, not too excited. But I'll recover it anyway and see what it is. I was hoping it was going to be down in that dirt. Oh well. Couple more bits of trash. Got a nice one here that's still in the hole. Dug off a little bit. Mozzies are coming out thick. Give that another dig. And we'll see if we're lucky. Well, I've lost count of how many targets I've pulled. Probably 25, I reckon. All little bits of crap. So I kind of went back towards the car where I got the first piece, which was right at the back of the car. It's fully night time now, but the moon's out, which is giving us some light. Got our second piece. Thought it'll come up in the scoop there. Probably not. Let's have a look. It's right here. It's a very small flake. Try to get it on my finger. There we go. Yeah. Very, very thin. But yeah, the machine's running beautiful now. Sort of a shame to leave, but I've got to go have some food. I'm starving. Alright, Oh, it was nice to get 2 bits straight away. And we'll try and get out again tomorrow. So I'm up nice and early. Out with the 12x7 and 6000 again. See if I can get something a little bit bigger. Those 2 bits together weighed 0.08 of a gram. So that's how sensitive these things are. Dug a couple of bits of lead already. I've got a nice signal here in this leaf mulch. Want it to be down in the clay. That sounds really nice. Ground's nice and soft, so I can just scrape it with my foot. Had to cross 2 creeks to get here. Yeah, I've moved it. Okay. Scoop. Getting close. There's not much left. What is it? Ah, lead again. Is it? It's hard to feel with all the clay stuck to it. Yeah, looks like lead. Oh, well, that was down away. Keep going. Just on the edge of this mullock heap. Good signal. And it's still in the hole. Someone's dug something there, looks very old. And there's a screamer just under that stump there. Yeah, we'll dig it out, see what it is. Well, it's not gold. Bit of crap. That's good depth. Well, the sun's out and it's brought the gold. First piece. A nice little bit. It was literally just under the leaf mulch. I almost walked away. Unbelievable. You can see there, that's how deep the hole was. Literally half an inch. Just dug the deepest hole so far this trip. I didn't want to film it so I don't jinx myself, but no luck on my side. Big bent nail. Oops, just dropped it. Big bent nail. Look at the size of the hole. That's well past the end of the scoop, so it's got to be 13, 14 inches, I reckon. Yeah, well, at least I know the coil and the machine is punching deep. Well, I just found piece number 2, number 4 in total. Number 2 for the morning, and we're continuing on the slightly bigger than yesterday theme, which is good. It's got rock, but there's gold all visible on one side, and that side's just all rock. Yeah, a bit of weight to it. Clean it up, and if there's a lot of rock, I'll just give it a slight tap with the pick. Let's see what we got. The gold looks quite solid. Oh, there was the hole. I've given it a light tap. Bit of the rocks come off. Nice little piece. Probably about 0.3, 0.4 of a gram maybe. Very nice. So I've come to this surfacing. Lots of exposed bedrock here. And then the rain's made these nice little gutters. So I've come with the 12x7, and someone's dug a couple of holes there. There's one further up, and right here I've got a really faint signal, and out popped a little nuggie. He'd be barely 0.1, very small. And it wasn't, you know, it was down maybe 4 inches. So I'm just going to continue on this little patch here and see if there's any more. Well, that's where that piece came from. This is someone else's hole. Looked like they might have been digging a little charcoal pocket, because the soil's very black. But I came across up here, thought I was getting a signal. I dug out that little corner. Now to me that definitely sounds like a bit of gold, and it's a slightly stronger signal than the other one, which was quite tiny. So yeah, I have to chip away at this because it's bedrock. I'll see what it is.